NAPA Echlin is proud to design and manufacture a majority of its parts in its own facilities around the world. One of those facilities is the company's manufacturing plant in Greenville, South Carolina, where its engineers manufacture an expansive line of premium matched fuel injectors. It all starts in the temperature and humidity-controlled engineering lab, where the parts are inspected to make sure they're within the specified tolerance range. For example, this digital micrometer validates overall product height. Once inspected, the parts are ready for assembly. Throughout the clean room assembly process, which includes precision laser welding, the parts are subjected to continual quality control measures. This flow and set test stand calibrates flow to match the injector's specific vehicle application. The optical measure system ensures proper dimensions, and the visual spray analysis confirms that each injector has the correct spray angle. What's more, NAPA Echlin validates the spray pattern on every fuel injector disc. Using a laser drill, the engineers precisely create the proper hole size and pattern onto each disc, and then carefully inspect each pattern to make sure it's 100% accurate. This same machine calibrates static flow for all injector discs ranging from 4 to 12 holes. The end result for technicians is a line of matched fuel injectors that are designed, inspected, assembled, manufactured, and tested to perform properly every time. When you multiply the manufacturing and testing capabilities found at every NAPA Echlin facility around the world, it's no wonder why a NAPA Echlin part looks right, fits right, and performs right.